In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Teachable. We'll walk through the exact path inside your school's admin, what you'll see during the cancellation flow, and a few tips so there are no surprises along the way. Start by signing in to your Teachable school and opening your admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, open Settings. Inside Settings, go to Billing. This is where your current plan, payment details, and plan management options live. On the billing page, look for the Manage Plan button. You may see it more than once on the page. Either option takes you to the same place. Click Manage Plan to open your plan management screen. Next, choose Cancel Plan. This begins the cancellation flow. Teachable will ask for the main reason you're canceling. Select the option that best fits your situation. Sharing an accurate reason helps the team improve features and support. You'll also see a prompt asking what made you decide to downgrade. Add a short explanation in your own words. Clear, concise details are helpful. You'll be asked whether Teachable can follow up with you about your feedback. Choose the option you prefer. If you don't want to be contacted, simply decline and continue. When you're ready, click Continue Canceling Plan. Review any notes about when your plan ends and what access looks like until that date. In most cases, cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing period, and you'll retain access until then. This can impact features tied to your plan, so it's worth confirming the effective date shown on screen. If prompted, confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation. Afterward, look for an on-screen confirmation and, in many cases, a confirmation email for your records. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're in the correct school if you manage multiple accounts, and note that only owners or admins with billing permissions can cancel a plan. If you don't see the Manage Plan or Cancel Plan options, double-check your role or try a desktop browser. That's it, you've successfully canceled your Teachable plan.